Mikey.
Oh, ano sa Mikey?
May story eh. Anong...
Ano storya?
Uusap na raw kayo.
We've always been talking naman eh. Never naman... There were times na matagal kami hindi nagkakausap, a few months, pero we're talking, pero it's... let's put it this way, I'm not counting on it. This conference, I don't think it's going to.
Pero ngayon nag-uusap na kayo, is that the first good step for both parties?
Like I said, we never stopped naman eh. Is that a good step? I think so. At least the communication lines are open. But like I said, we're not backing.
Who made the first initiative? You or no?
Pansismis yung I do not want to reply on the grounds it might incriminate me.
Okay. Thank you, Coach.